Paris Essential White features 2 specific routines, one for dark spots, perfect for sun damage and acne scarring, and for overall brightening, a shortened routine for any age and skin type. Solution Clarité exfoliates, brightens, and helps normalize the pigmentation process. With an elegant gel texture, natural enzymes and acids work in tandem to reveal a smooth and velvety complexion. Skin is brighter and more even-toned by an impressive 66%. With its high-precision applicator, the Dark Spot Corrector contains vitamin C and red algae, which control the size, number, and contrast of dark spots. Test results measured a 33% reduction of both the number and size of spots. With its silky texture, Crème Lumière prevents photoaging and promotes long-lasting brightness. Vitamin C, beech peptides, and apple extracts work in concert to brighten and blend dark spots by targeting the problem at its source. Tests measured 98% improvement to skin's radiance. Always include sunscreen as a final step of the Essential White regimen. And fast-track the results of the Essential White Salon treatment. Contact your local Yon-Ka spa for more details.